Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in your LATOKEN Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your LATOKEN app, and once you are here you need to choose on the open account option. So here, due to privacy reasons, the screen is blank. However, you need to enter your email address and your password and solve this puzzle to verify yourself as a human being. Then you need to fill in your PIN code and reconfirm your PIN code. Then reconfirm your email address as well by entering your verification code. And once this is done, all you need to do is simply get your account created, ending you up in this kind of page. So in this way you can sign up in your LATOKEN Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.